Hey, we're back with another driver seat box break. This is box number 3 of 4. These were from John on Facebook Marketplace. Hey John, thank you for your deal. I appreciate it. These is tops 89. And here we go. Top 2 packs. Everybody knows my made up rules. Let's see if we can get this open without too much trouble. Oh yeah, this is cooperating. And these do have the gum, so we'll deal with that. I like to get these all flipped around so it goes easier for me. All right, here we go. Billy Hatcher, Steve Peters, Rick Sutcliffe, Carney Lansford, Jesse Barfield, Geraldo Young, Jay Tibbs, Oriole, get rid of that, Oral Hershiser All-Star, I like that, Dick Schofield, Checklist, Dale Mahorchik, Don Slott, Ken Howell, Twins leaders, let's see who was Twins among the Twins leaders. Kirby Puckett, Gary Gaetti, Danny Gladden on the pitching side, Jeffrey and Frank Viola, Bert Blyleven, I think it was RBI Baseball, maybe, like 92-ish. Bert Blyleven had like one of the nastiest sliders, I think, in that video game. All right, and to round out the pack, Greg Minton. Not much to write home about in that pack, but that's okay. That's how it goes sometimes. It's just the excitement of the possibility. Here's pack number 2. I'm not going to eat the gum this morning. Sorry, guys. Hate to disappoint. Company store. All right. Oh, let's flip these over. Sparky, Glenn Hubbard, Tim Laudner. Here's a Wade Boggs All-Star. That'll be okay. Alejandro Pena, Norm Charlton, Steve Lyons, Luis Medina, Bob Brower. Come on. Cooperate. Fernando Valenzuela. He looks old in that picture. He pitched forever. He spent some time with the Orioles. Danny Darwin. Tim Leary. I feel like he pitched like the majority of my life. Scott Bradley. Jim Clancy. Rounded up with Terry Taylor. All right. Well, we got the Wade Boggs All-Star. That's pretty exciting. And the Oral Hershiser All-Star in the previous pack. So, you know, not terrible. We'll take it. Not bad for a first 2. We got a lot more to open in that box, so keep up with the channel to see more of those. I've got one more box, for the 4th box out of 4 today. And, yeah, I will catch you on the next one.